Welcome back to Dash of Delish.
Today we are going to be making chocolate cake with a mystery method.
Ooh. We are making that recipe from the complete cookbooks for young chefs. They have amazing recipes for kids that I bet you'll love. Now, let's get cooking.
Okay, go.
In a small mixing bowl, you want to mix in the flour and the baking powder.
Just the flour.
Now, we are going to put in a small microwave-safe bowl the butter and the chocolate chips.
And you set the microwave to 50% power and for 1 minute.
Now you're going to stir with a spoon all of this nice melted chocolate and melted butter. It feels very, how do I explain
Can I
it?
try?
Weird.
No, wait.
As you can see, it's almost fully mixed together. The butter has become brown, showing that you're very, very close. And the chocolate has become less thick because the butter is a liquid. Now we're going to add the eggs, sugar, cocoa, vanilla, and salt to the chocolate mixture.
Is this going to be awesome or what?
Sugar, salt, vanilla, cocoa.
Always get the chocolate on top. Wait, where's the egg gonna go?
Egg.
Get the chocolate on.
The other egg.
Being smooth and it's so hard to stir.
Now, we are going to add the chocolate mixture to the flour mixture.
Two different things, see? Right there. It's like the chocolate's one piece of bread and the other thing's not one piece of bread. It's not even getting on it. And the only way to fix that, chocolate. No, that's likewise. Never mind.
Okay, guys, so there are actually two parts to this mystery method. Here's the first part. We are going to be cooking this cake in mugs. So we're going to divide it evenly in mugs.
Okay. This one looks better, just so you know. Zach,
Not funny.
did you just... Okay, guys. So, the second part of the mystery method is we are going to be putting these in the microwave!
Cooking it in the microwave. Okay, so as you can see, these look like a small amount of cake. But I promise you, they're gonna poof up almost to the rim. So, they'll be perfect.
Okay, so we are going to be putting these in the microwave for 2 minutes on power 50. But after 1 minute, we take it out and stir it. But after the 2 minutes is up, If it still looks like really, really wet, put it in for like 30 more seconds and then you're good. So yeah.
Okay. We've taken it out after 1 minute. As you can see, it's not fully done, but
It's
it has
like
cooked
jiggly.
up.
You see, it's jiggly.
So now we stir it. And then you put it back in the microwave. Whoa! Look at this thing. It rose high. Now that they are finished, we can eat them and vote and talk about how we like them.
Let's dig in. Never mind. It's way too
Woo! Hot.
You haven't done it.
Huh. Okay, it has a literal cake texture. It's obviously cake.
You should
but
see it. Outweigh two hands.
So this definitely has a cake texture, and it's very soft and moist. And it's, it tastes like chocolate cake. It's very rich. It's like really chocolatey.
You should have milk with this because it's really rich.
Which?
You should have milk with this because it's really rich.
Yeah, I definitely recommend this recipe. Thumbs up to whoever made it.
Like this.
This recipe was super easy, and I'm so surprised that you could actually cook it in the microwave. Kids would really like to try this. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!
Oh gosh, you must have burned your mouth from that.